Hello everyone! For today's vlog, magluluto po tayo ng chicken puchero. Tara, tikman po natin. At syempre, dahil ako nagluto, masarap to. Tikman natin. Paano ka ba naman papayat nito, diba? Yummy! Perfect! So, let's season the chicken with salt para may lasa na po siya. So, let's start. Let's saute the onion, garlic, and tomatoes. So, let's add the chicken. And ituloy lang natin ang paggisa nito. Then add a cup of water and simmer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add the tomato sauce. So let's add the potatoes and the carrots. Let's now add the saging na saba. Add the hot dogs, the bell pepper to add some aroma. And now the beans. So now, let's add the veggies, pechay and cabbage. Sabi nga pala ng mother ko, dapat pag nagluluto, nakasmile para lalong sumarap. Kaya just keep on smiling while cooking. Ayan, luto na ang ating chicken puchero. At sa tingin pa lang, yummy na, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay niya. May red, green, yellow, orange, parang Pasko na. And we can add some patis or fish sauce para lalong mas masarap, diba? Yummy. Thanks for watching, guys.